Hello guys! Another day, another word of God. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and the future. Grabe no? Hindi ka pa pinapanganak, pero may plano na si Lord sa buhay mo. Alam mo ba na hindi mo na kailangan ma-pressure, ma-stress o ikumpara ang sarili mo sa ibang tao. Each person is individually and intentionally created with distinct qualities, gifts, and a specific purpose. Hindi ka dadalihin ni Lord sa isang sitwasyon na hindi mo kaya. Life is not easy. Sabi ni Lord, be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them. For the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Basta't kasama natin si Lord, wala tayong dapat ikatakot. Life is not a race. It is a journey with the Lord. Yun lang po mga guys. Malakas na ang ulan. God bless you. Ingat po kayo.